So in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Saramonic wireless mic. So you can use this mic on your iPhone or your Android device. I'm currently shooting this video on my iPhone, so I can't show you how to do it on an iPhone, but I have my Android device over here and I'll be showing you how to use the mic with it. So I'm going to leave a link to the mic in the description. You can use the link to get the mic if you're interested in it. Alright, so what you want to do first is connect the receiver. This is the receiver to the phone. Now, one thing you should know is that the lights over here are very bright, so I'll try as much as I can to make sure the lights do not blind you. But then just connect it to your phone. After it is connected, you'll see the lights start to blink. There's a button over here. You just need to tap and hold it until the lights start blinking faster. Alright, so they are now blinking faster. This means you have entered pairing mode. Now I can just keep the phone. And now what you want to do is decide which mic you want to be your mic 1 and mic 2. So for me, I want this to be my mic 1 so that I can hold the mic this way without the receiver. What I'm going to do now is long press the button and I'll still hold the button until it starts to blink fast. Okay, so now it has paired with the phone. As you can see, this light doesn't blink anymore. This one is still blinking, so this one has now been paired with this one. So it means that this mic is now mic 1. Alright, so now I'm going to do the same for the second mic. I'll tap and hold the button until this light blinks rapidly. Okay, it is blinking rapidly now, and now it has connected to the receiver. So both of the mics are now working. I'm going to turn off the mic 2, so I'll just disconnect it and reconnect it to turn it off. And this one is blinking to see if it can find it again, but after some time it will turn off. Alright, so you can use the mic this way by just holding it and talking, or you can attach it to your shirt. I'll be showing you how to do that later on. But then you should know that you can use the mic to control your phone's camera. So I'm going to open my camera app now. I'll switch to video. Okay, so now if I press on the button, you'll notice that the camera will start recording. So as you can see, it is recording. And if I press on it again, it's going to stop. So as you can see, it has stopped. So you can use the button on the mic to do your video recording. And you can tap on the button over here to choose your noise cancellation mode. So if you tap on it once, it's going to blink quickly 3 times. So this is now strong noise cancellation mode. If you tap it again and it blinks slowly 3 times like this, that means you have entered weak noise cancellation mode. And if you tap on it again, it's going to turn blue. That means you have disabled noise cancellation mode. So I have tested the noise cancellation modes and they work really well. I've made a review for this mic. I'll link it in the description of this video so you can watch it. In the review, I tested the different noise cancellation modes for you guys to listen to. Okay, so when you have your shirt on, you just need to remove the mic like this. There's a magnet attached to the mic. You can remove it too. And this is where the mic is, like the microphone, so make sure it is facing upwards to your mouth. So you can put you put this one under your shirt. Over here you can see the name of the mic, like the Saramonic. So this part should be facing you. Put it under your shirt and then just place the mic. You can see the magnet on the mic, this round, if the camera would focus. Okay, this round circle is the magnet. Just place it on the magnet that's under your shirt and that's it. That's how the mic is going to be under your shirt. It's not going anywhere. You can shake it as much as you want, and the button is going to be over here, so you can tap on it to start recording or tap on it to stop recording. Okay, so I forgot to mention this while making the video. When you get the mic for the first time, you'll see a protective film on the mic when you remove it from the case. Make sure you remove it like the protective film, make sure you remove it. If not, the mics will not charge. All right, so yeah, get back to the video. And after you're done, you can just detach the mic by removing the magnet and reattaching it, and then you have to put it back in the case so that it's going to charge. And while it is charging, it's going to be red, and when it is done charging, the red light is going to turn off. This one is also charging. And don't forget to detach the receiver from your phone so that you can connect it to the case, or you can just put it in the pouch that comes with the mic. Like I said, I'll leave it in the description. If you guys are interested in getting it, then you can. Well, with that said, ask me any questions you may have, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.